The limb leads consist of standard bipolar and augmented leads. Standard leads include leads 1, leads 2 and leads 3. Leads 1 records the difference in voltage between the left arm and the right arm electrode. Leads 2 records the difference between right arm and the left leg electrodes. Lead 3 records the difference between left arm and the left leg electrodes. Leads 1, 2 and 3 can be represented schematically in terms of triangle, called Einthoven's triangles. As you can see, leads 1 points horizontally. Its left pole is positive and its right pole is negative. Lead 2 points diagonally downward. Its lower pole is positive and its upper pole is negative. Lead 3 also points diagonally downward. Its lower pole is positive and its upper pole is negative. Einthoven's triangle shows the spatial orientation of the 3 standard leads. Einthoven's triangle can be redrawn so that leads 1, 2 and 3 intersect at a common central point. This was done simply by sliding leads 1 downward, leads 2 rightward and leads 3 leftward. The result is triaxial diagram. Augmented leads record the electrical voltage between an electrode close to zero potential and active electrodes of the limb. Because the sum of voltages of right arm and left leg equals 0, the central terminal has a zero voltage and called electrical heart center. AVR axes lie from the electrical center of the heart to the right arm. AVL axes lie from the electrical center of the heart to the left arm. AVF axes lie from the electrical center of the heart to the left foot. Every of these leads has positive and negative poles, which together form the triaxial diagram of augmented leads. Two triaxial diagrams from standard and augmented leads can be combined. The result is a hexaxial lead diagram. The hexaxial diagram shows the spatial orientation of the 6 extremity leads in the frontal plane of the body.